Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at our 2012 Kenworth T370 Summit 10629 utility service crane truck. Has a Van Air RC40, like I said, 10629. That's a 10,000 pound, 29 foot reach, fully hydraulic crane. Has hydraulic outriggers. Inside and out, the truck's in nice condition with no major rust. Has 172,000 miles on it, PX8 350 horsepower. Allison 3000 RDS. That's a 6-speed automatic transmission. Really nice truck. We've cleaned it up, did all the service work to it. We spent some money on this thing, and it runs, drives, operates as it should. The Van Air compressor operates as it should. The crane operates. It has a factory Summit wireless remote. But inside and out, you'll see it's a nice one. Good tires all the way around. The frame and underside shows nice black color. Show you underneath. You can see the frame is still shiny. I mean, there is some light surface rust in some areas, but this is a really nice truck underneath. Looks just as nice underneath as it does on top. Interior's in decent condition. It does show a little bit of wear, on par with a 2012 truck. But it's got an air driver seat. It's a cloth seat. The floor bottom shows pretty nice. Got plenty of options in here. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Oh, what else? Engine brake. It is an air ride suspension truck, and it does have a differential lock. So pretty much covers all the bases. Start it up. It does have ice cold air conditioning. Feels good on a hot day like today. Truck starts right up. Like I said, PACCAR PX8. AM FM radio, heat and air conditioning. This interior, like I said, it shows really nice. Does have a little bit of wear. There is a backup camera. I could not get that to turn on. Dashboard shows nice. I spent about a total of 10 seconds trying to get that to turn on also. But nice interior overall. It's good for a nice work truck. Really, it's optioned up too, so definitely a nice truck. In the utility box, we got plenty of options back here too. And the box itself is in nice shape. The RC40 is showing 1496 on the hours. Got a super granite drawer system. This thing is huge. So plenty of space for tools in this D2 compartment. Got another one here over the wheel box. Opens and closes as it should. Got some more on the other side. Good tires all the way around. Deep tread remaining. Like I said, the underside shows really nice. You can see that there. No major rust anywhere on this thing. Really nice truck. The body inside and out's in good condition. Does have storage under the rear workstation. So like I said, it has hydraulic outriggers. It is a manual extension on the curb side. However, it does slide in and out pretty easily. So no issues or areas of concern there. Got a 7-way blade wiring for your trailer hitch receiver. Jump up inside here. Really nice in between the boxes. Got a texturized or a texture black paint. Hydraulic tank up front, LED light on top. Crane shows nice. This is a really nice truck. Got some D-rings on either side of the bed. Winch cable looks like it's in good condition. Crane operates really nice. I just got done operating it. Got a vise off the back. Even got a grab handle. That's something else. I'll show you underneath here. See the airbags. This is an air ride truck. Looking down the side, you can see the previous company logo a little bit just from where the stickers were, but it's a clean truck. Back here into your crane compartment, got our wireless remote there. It is a factory Summit wireless remote. Your outriggers up and down are here. Got some different odds and ends on your lights. Got a little small granite tool drawer here. Hose reel at the bottom. Got a bolt bend in this over the wheel compartment. I believe that's granite too. It looks like it to me. Granite is the manufacturer, not actually granite material. Tires in great shape all the way around. Got some tank storage here. This is an elevated box. Whew, could spend all day open boxes on this truck. It's got plenty of storage. And the box, utility box itself is in great shape. No major rust anywhere on this thing. Truck shows nice. Very sharp, clean, presentable truck. Got a little bit of residue on the hood. We put the truck through our shop, spent some money on it, checked out everything on it: lights, brakes, tires, mechanical, crane operation, crane function, utility box functionalities, handles, latches, locks, all that good stuff. So it's ready to rock and roll. You can fly in and drive this truck out of here. We're Lewis Motor Company, located in Clarksville, Maryland, which is just outside of Baltimore, Maryland. You can find this truck and some others at lewistrucks.com, LAWIS, truckswithans.com. I can ship this truck throughout the United States. Call me and I'll give you a quote on that. But a real nice truck, runs, drives, operates as it should. Nice looking KW service truck. Thank you guys for watching.